Hello, John here again. As you can see, there's a VIC-20 on the TV, and that's because it's that one. Now, from my previous video, you would have seen that I had a problem with one of my VICs, and it turned out to be the versatile interface chip, the VIA. So I got in contact with my friend Mark, Commodore Sales, and he's supplied me with a new 30-year-old, can't say new, but a new to me motherboard, and it's not a bad picture. I've put it in, it's not a bad picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick update. I'm going to put the games in that showed the issue, and to show that the problem doesn't persist anymore, and we'll take it from there. So we'll start off with that one. I think it was that one where it just went round and round and round and round and round. So we'll turn off the machine, plug it in, and I don't think this motherboard's had any cartridges in it because they are tough to get in. Here we go. Yeah, so right, it says joystick. I ain't got a joystick plugged in, so, but there you go. Before, that was just spinning round and 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 round. And as you can see, it's dead still. So, God, that's pretty loud, isn't it? So, game number one is okay. So we'll try another one. And the other two games that I tried before I realised there was a problem was Star Battle. And this is where the spaceship just kept going to the left all the time. God, tough getting them in there. So here we go. So let's just move that over a bit. Right, so L and semicolon and A to fire. So F1 to start. Remember, this just went straight over to the left. See? It's not going straight over to the left. Ooh, that was close. Oh, so close. Oh! Anyway, there you go. So that's shown, and that, oh, these are tight. And the last one, I think, is Space Invaders, which is the Avenger cartridge. So I'll just put that in, and this, I think this was the last one before I decided to get the other VIC out. So here we go. And F1 to begin. Tell I've been practicing. Oh, that was close. Oh! Missed it. Got ya. Mark, I'll be needing a new keyboard at this rate. Close. Oh, missed it. Missed it again. Missed it again. Missed it again. Missed it again. Dead. Oh, got him! Hey! Anyway. So I thought I'd just give you an update and thank Mark Commodore Sales for providing the new motherboard. I will be taking the other one apart for spares because you never know when you might want a 6502. But what he also, he sent me this as well to help me out. And it's a switchable RAM pack. So it can be, so it's either 3K RAM or 16K RAM. So, and it what it does, it boosts your VIC's memory by that little switch at the top, look. So you got 3 positions. So that position means unexpanded, so there's no memory put in. That position is adds 3K to your machine, so it should end up with a 6.5K machine. And in that position it adds 16K, so it should be a 19.5K machine. So I'll put it in, and I'll put it in as a unexpanded, and we'll switch her on and see what it's like. So put it in, switch her on. There you go. So I've put it in, and because I've got the switch in the centre, it's just a normal 3.5K VIC. So if we switch her off and put it to switch it to the left, this should make it now. This should add 3K to the RAM, so it should make it a 6.5K machine. Here we go. There we go. So 6,655 bytes free. Oh, just think, back in the day in 1981, that was enormous. And now, switch it to the right, we should end up with 19, I think. Oh, look at that, 19,967, almost 20 kilobytes of RAM. All that space to do lots of lovely things with. So, thanks Mark for letting me have that and for sorting out my motherboard issue. This is going to be back to being my play VIC, and the other one can go back in its box to be put away because that's one of my collection VICs. And I will see you in the next set of videos. Going to be doing some basic videos. I don't know whether to do basic on each of the machines or just do one, but we'll see. We'll see what we get there. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.